good morning. Today is 30th June 2020 and we're going to say bye-bye to June already, guys, and let's say hello. We're going to say hello to July. OMG. Okay guys, so we're going to have coffee, and in today's video, guys, we are going to have this day in the life. Yes guys, because I didn't do videos like this quite long already, so yeah, let's make this day in the life video. Kain tayo guys ng breakfast. Hailey is eating her cereals, multi-cereals in Lakota, this kind of cereals. And mine and me, I am just drinking coffee. Say hello and good morning. Hello guys, so we are going out with the kids. Yes.
Yes.
Hi.
And we are going to buy things for the birthday of Daddy.
What will you make, Lakota? What will you make, darling? Lakota said that she's going to make drawing. She's going to draw the bow shoes. The bow shoes, it means drawing for Daddy. Huh, Lakota?
And me,
And Hailey is going to buy.
paint
You're going to draw also.
and paint and buy a book or
What?
a clothes.
Yes.
A clothes.
Yes, very good. So those are the ideas, guys, for my husband's birthday, because he's going to celebrate this July. Yes.
It's
Let's go.
Valentino.
Hello guys, so look at us wearing masks always, guys, because it is obligatory here. Wherever you go, you have to wear mask, or else they will fine you.
In this town.
From 6 years old above is obligatory, but 5 years old below is not obligatory.
Kobe.
Yes, Hailey. So before you enter, you have to put your gloves. It is obligatory everywhere you go, guys. Yes, if you go to the supermarket, see, it says here, it's obligatory. Face mask and gloves. We're at the supermarket, guys, and we are buying fish.
Them too.
So uwi na kami, guys. Itong mga nabili namin. Yan ang mga nabili namin, guys. And Hailey's holding one thing too.
My present and Lakota's present.
Hello guys, so dito na kami sa bahay. We just came inside. And oh my gosh, it is very hot, guys. It is very hot, everyone. Yes. And now it's time to cook for lunch. Konti lang guys ang binili namin. Yes, so no need to show you. Yeah. So here are the things we bought for my husband's birthday. Yes. So ayan, and these two. Yeah, so we will show you guys on
This is
on
from
the day of
Lakota.
his birthday. Yes, put it, darling, put it back. So guys, I'm cooking rabbit for lunch. Yes. I'm cooking rabbit for lunch, guys. Parang i-adobo ko lang siya, guys. Yes. First, I'm going to make it brown. And then after that, guys, we're going to add onion. And then water. Okay, guys, so let's add the onion. Our generous neighbor, the old lady, she gave us these green beans. Green beans, guys, as in from the farm of her sister because they have a lot, sabi niya. So she gave us, and she gave us also some cucumbers and zucchinis. These are the things that the generous neighbor gave us, guys. So she gave us 3 zucchinis and 9 cucumbers and a kilo of green beans, flat green beans, guys. Yes. As in, guys, grabe, they are so generous talaga sa amin. Yes. Thank you so much to our generous neighbor. So, puno na guys, itong box na to guys. So, let's keep it to the fridge. Ito yung old guys na cucumber ko. So, yan ang gamitin natin. Yes. And, guys, I am going to cook this one also guys for tonight's dinner. Hello guys, naubusan kami ng tubig. Kaya wala kaming tubig guys. Kasi last Wednesday guys, last week Wednesday, it was holiday here in our region. So, binigyan ako ng delivery man ng isang ano lang guys, extra water. Kasi 2 gallons kasi ang nagagamit namin every week. Tapos, isa lang ang kinuha ko na extra kasi nga every Wednesday, he comes and deliver. Tapos, kahapon guys, naubusan na pala kami ng tubig. I didn't know na naubusan na pala kami. So, luckily, we have gallons, guys, na extra na ganito na tubig. Yes, sa garage namin. So, yan ang ginagamit namin. And tomorrow, pupunta yung delivery man, guys, ng tubig. Yeah. So, let's put water na, guys. Just enough water guys para lumambot ang ating rabbit. So guys, we're going to add this whole black pepper. We're going to put 3 bay leaves. And hayaan lang natin guys na kumulo ng kumulo until it becomes konti lang yung tubig niya para asin na lumambot. Let's put salt, guys. Let's see, guys. Okay. So, guys, konti na lang yung tubig niya. So, let's turn it off. Luto na siya, guys. Kain na tayo, guys. Kumuha na ako, guys, ng 4. Binigay ko kay Hailey and Lakota. So, kain na tayo. Yummy.
Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo, guys. So yummy.
Hello, guys. So, let's eat, everyone. Guys, so dumating na si Habi. Tapos na din siyang kumain ng lunch. Tapos, guys, kumain kami ng pineapple, guys. Yes, I forgot to show you how I cut it. We are watching MasterChef, guys. We are replaying it because we didn't watch last night. So, we are replaying it right now. So guys, I want to drink coffee. Normally after lunch, I always drink coffee. So this is my second cup of coffee for today. So guys, ito ng ating coffee, guys. Nilagyan ko na din ng milk. Best mom. Okay guys, so I will continue cooking our dinner. So I have to put potatoes, guys, and then boil it. And Hailey, she wants that we are going to make banana cake because we have ripe bananas here. We are going to bake this one, guys. Okay guys, so tapos na. I just finished peeling and cutting the potatoes. So we are going to cook it. Okay guys, so let's turn our vegetable off. Okay na siya, guys. Luto na siya. Now we are going to wash the things we used, guys, for baking. Yes.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
Hello guys, so we are going to eat for dinner na. Yes, and yes guys, I'm going to prepare now our plate. And then we have the cake, banana cake, guys, na ginawa ni Hailey. So that will be for our dessert.
let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve